Tech Motors family, this is the 1999 Toyota Harrier. It has the 3.0 V6 engine with an automatic transmission. It also comes with 34,558 original miles. This vehicle does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. These seats do fold down to create more space. Alright, as y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know they have not been punched out. They also do go away. The 55,618, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 34,558. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos or deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions y'all may have. I would like to tell you guys thank you so much for the continual support. It really means the world to us. We appreciate each and every one of you guys. I pray y'all have a blessed and safe day.